This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to get the RLCS theme now. Start with Essentials. Make sure Rocket League is updated and your Steam or Epic account is linked to your Epic account. Once done, open the in-game item shop and find the eSports shop or RLCS event page. This is where themes drop. If a redeem code is offered, copy it now. At the same time, verify you have enough credits or platform funds. Without currency, purchases won't complete. Don't pause. Move to checkout when you see the RLCS theme listed. Now focus on execution. If the theme is for sale, purchase it using credits or your platform wallet and confirm the transaction. In-game confirmation appears and the item lands in inventory. If it's a redeem code, open the redeem code field, paste the code, and accept. You'll see a success pop-up. Also check fan rewards or tournament drop pages. Sometimes themes are free after watching or linking accounts. Once the item appears in inventory extras, you're ready to apply it. Don't skip verification. Finally, equip the RLCS theme. Go to Customize, open Extras or Main Menu Theme, select the RLCS theme and save. Once applied, return to the main menu to confirm the audio and visuals changed. If the theme doesn't appear, relog into your account, restart the game, and recheck inventory. Account linking problems often block rewards. If credits were charged and the item is missing, contact support with your purchase ID and screenshots. They can restore items, but only with proof, so record the transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.